Gudvangen is an old Viking village in Sognefjorden in Norway, with dramatic and spectacular scenery. One of our missions was to climb Middagshoven, 300 meters where two pitches are graded water ice 6+. We started at 5 in the morning, without much info about the route, but I'd like to climb like a pioneer, counting on my own experience. When we arrived at our base, we discovered a big circus with a huge ice fall hanging in the middle.
There is not so much good conditions this year, but we saw a beautiful line from the road, so we are heading up to see if it's climbable or not. It's quite steep.
Non, c'est juste que c'est long. Hein.
Ouais.
Par contre, c'est magnifique. Hein.
Ouais. I think we have really perfect conditions today for the temperature because it's turning around 0, and here I think even during the day and the night it was always under 0.
This was comprised of two overhanging pitches, the good ice hidden by long icicle curtains.
Hard pitch, like a 60-meter vertical with some overhang. Some big jellyfish or petals, big ice forms which are completely overhanging.
The ice is always making crazy and beautiful shapes. That's the beauty, the wilderness, the force of the nature that push me out. In ice climbing, but more generally in all mountaineering.
Ça me coule dessus, ta race. Tout est gelé. J'arrive pas à ouvrir les dégaines. Bon, allez. Oula, bah c'est quand même pas du dos encore.
I had to get access to this ice, which meant a very careful removal process, stripping back loads of icicles. Each pitch took around an hour and a half. It was arduous work. The final pitch was a bit easier, but by this point I'd become a bit more wary. Additionally, darkness has arrived, meaning that we had to finish the route with headlamps, rappelling down into a dark and fairly terrifying hole. In all, it took us 14 hours. The day after, with increasing temperatures and with the rain level going to the top of the fjords, the routes were no longer ice falls, but waterfalls. Ice climbing for me, it's one of my favorite winter activities. It allows you to climb very ephemeral routes, and without the cold, it would be impossible to climb at the same place.